Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing a wireless controller. This is the RedGear Elite Wireless Controller. And right now we're looking at the front side of the packaging where you can see the controller itself along with some highlighted features. Let's go through these one by one. It's got integrated force feedback. That means it's got motors on either grip or maybe both grips. It's got two analog triggers, two analog sticks. There's a turbo mode. You don't know exactly what that means. Then it's got a built-in rechargeable battery that gives you up to 10 hours of gameplay. And the range happens to be 10 meters. It's also compatible with Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, and you can also use a USB cable. Another prominent feature that they'd like to highlight is that you can use either X input or direct input for mapping the buttons on the controller with games on your PC. Let's move to one of the sides. Here you can see the different mapping configurations for X input as well as direct input mode. You also have a little driver link for this particular device when you're using it with your PC. Then the backside has more or less the same information that we saw on the front, along with pricing as well as manufacturer or rather the distributor's contact info. And on this end, we have specifications. Let's see. It uses around 5 volts for charging. Charging duration can be anywhere between 3 to 6 hours. And it takes about 1 to 2 amperes of current. Operating temperatures between -20 to +65 degrees Celsius. And it's about 189 grams in weight. So that's it for the packaging. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. So first you have the quick start guide or user manual. It also gives you an idea of what to look for, the indicators to identify whether the controller is currently set to direct input or X input, and any additional features as well as the specifications again. Then you have cabling. This happens to be a mini USB. It's not micro. Mini USB on one side and a USB type A on the other. Cable is about, say, less than a meter, about barely a meter long. Then you have a little dongle. This is what you'd use to pair the device with your PC. And lastly, there's the controller. This is what it looks like. It's very similar to one of the older PlayStation controllers. You've got the two analog sticks over here, the D-pad on the left, X, Y, A, B buttons on the right, home button in the center. And the moment you tap on it, you can see that the LED indicators have started lighting up and it's already initiated the pairing process. On the top, you have shoulder buttons as well as analog triggers. There's the interface for the USB mini cable to charge the device. On the bottom, you have some grooves for better grip, and that's about it. That was the unboxing of the RedGear Elite Wireless Controller. Thank you for watching.